Good evening, guys. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Bank of America $545 sign-up bonus, and we're going to get into it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this content, please hit the like button and subscribe. It does help me out a lot. So we're going to get this offer. It is available nationwide. Most say it is not check sensitive. However, if you're brand new to the footprint, you don't have any active accounts with Bank of America, you may be required to go in person to provide documents or verify your identity. To be eligible to the offer, you must receive it via direct communication from a Bank of America small business specialist or from a Bank of America communication. The offer is for new customers only. You're not eligible for this offer if you were an owner or signer on a Bank of America Business Advantage account within the last 6 months. I did receive this offer through the inkfile.com website under recommendations, and inkfile.com was the website I used to set up my LLC. The link to apply for the offer is listed here. It does appear to be a public offer. So if you're eligible and want to apply, you can use this link here or just scan this with your QR code with your smartphone. It'll take you directly there. The $545 sign-up bonus is broken down into two separate requirements. The first one we're going to discuss is a $200 portion for the Business Advantage Fundamentals Banking, and then the $345 is in the form of a statement credit for spending $3,000 on net new purchases in the first 90 days of account opening with a business credit card with Bank of America. And the cashback portion for meeting the minimum spend requirement. So it's $300 plus 1.5% on that $3,000. So it's like $345 total. So we're going to discuss the $200 sign-up bonus first, and then we'll go ahead and get into the remaining portion of the bonus. What you'll need an application for the Business Advantage Fundamentals Checking. You'll need business documentation, such as filing documents, articles of organization, articles of incorporation, and or certificate of resolution. You'll need your social security number, your address, and date of birth for all owners. You'll need the date your business was established, the state in which your business was formed and operates, U.S. only. You'll need your legal business name and DBA, doing business as name if applicable. You will need your business tax ID or employer identification number provided by the IRS. If you're sole proprietorship, you may use a social security number. So when you open up the account, you want to select the Business Advantage Fundamentals Banking. You'll need to deposit $3,000 in new money within the first 30 days of opening your account. You'll need to maintain an average balance of $3,000 or more during the maintenance period. The maintenance period begins 31 calendar days after account opening and ends 90 calendar days after account opening. Once the requirements are met, Bank of America will deposit the earned bonus into your new Business Advantage account within 60 days. The bonus is taxable, and you will receive a 1099 from Bank of America. The Bank of America Business Advantage checking account has no monthly fees for the first 12 statement cycles, so that is a good advantage for there. So you don't have any monthly fees to worry about. The account offers Business Advantage 360 or a small business online platform, mobile banking with mobile check deposit, connected apps and cash flow monitor tools, business debit cards with zero liability guarantee. After the first 12-month period is over, there is a $16 monthly fee. It can be avoided if you meet one of the following requirements. You would need to maintain a $5,000 combined average balance, spend at least $250 in new net purchases on your business debit card, use your debit card to make at least $500 in new net qualified purchases, or be a member of Preferred Rewards for Business. Now, I didn't want to get too detailed about the Preferred Rewards for Business, but I did provide a link here. If you want to look that up, you can just type that in the web browser or scan this with your QR code with a smartphone. It'll take you directly there. The Bank of America does have a $100 sign-up bonus. It does have a lower deposit requirement. The requirement is to deposit $1,000 or more in new money within the first 30 days of opening your small business banking account. The maintenance period to hold the funds is the same as the $3,000 requirement, and the payout time frame is the same. Just know that instead of the $200, you would just get $100. So that is primarily the difference. Everything else appears to be the same. So going next, we'll talk about the $345 sign-up bonus with Bank of America Business Advantage and how to get that. So the link here, the business credit card sign up appears after clicking on Open Now button to save time with the combined application. If you follow the link and click Open Now, it'll bring you to the page to open the Bank of America business credit card. I copy the link here. You can just type that in your browser or just scan the QR code. It's the same one as when you're opening up the Business Advantage checking account. The only difference is here you just click on Open Now, and that's when you'll see a combined one to open the Business Advantage checking and your business credit card. You want to select Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards MasterCard from the list of credit card choices. There's a total of 4, but for this sign-up bonus, you want to select the Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Reward MasterCard. It has 1.5% back on all purchases. The Unlimited Cash Rewards MasterCard has no annual fee. There's a 0% APR for the first 9 billing cycles. After that, the APR will be 17.49% to 27.49% based on your personal or your business creditworthiness. There is an unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases, so that is unlimited. There's no limit on how much cash rewards you can earn with the Unlimited Cash Rewards card. It can be redeemed as a deposit into your Bank of America checking or savings account, as a credit to an eligible Merrill investment account, a card statement, credit, or checks. Cash rewards do not expire as long as your account remains open, and cash reward checks expire 90 days after the issue date. So the $300 sign-up bonus requires that you make at least $3,000 in new net purchases with your credit that post to your account within 90 days from the account opening. The $300 shows up as a statement credit within 1 to 2 business cycles, 1 to 2 billing cycles of meeting the spend requirement. So you'll see it as a credit on your unlimited cash reward card. The $45 portion of the sign-up bonus is a cashback you're going to receive based on a minimum spend requirement of $3,000 at 1.5%. Your company may be issued an Internal Revenue Service Form 1099 or other appropriate form that reflects the value of such rewards. So you may get more than the $45 if you go over the $3,000 spend requirement. It's kind of hard to hit that nail right on the head. So it'll probably be a little bit more. Going forward, this current offer does expire May 31st, 2025. It does appear to be nationwide and available to everyone. Great offer. The Bank of America Business Advantage banking account must be opened and in good standing, and up to and including the date any earned bonus is paid. I did read the terms and condition of the offer for early termination fees. I didn't see any stated when I reviewed the offers and terms. So, it looks like you can close it shortly after getting the bonus for the checking. And, so you're good to go there. Now, I do want to make a mention before we end the video. There is a $400 PNC business checking account that I'll put a link to up in the upper right-hand corner here that you can click on. That offer expires March 31st, 2025, and it's fairly simple as well. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to email me at orig58@gmail.com. And as always, I appreciate you listening to the video and watching. And if you like this content, please let me know. Hit the like button and subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching the video today, and enjoy your evening. Thank you.